we're doing.
We're doing a gummy bear experiment.
Okay. What are we doing with it?
We're gonna put in water, salt water, baking soda, and vinegar.
Okay. What do you think's gonna happen?
I think this one's gonna swell up. I think this one's gonna stay the same. I think this one's gonna be what?
I don't know. What do you think baking soda is gonna do to that?
Sizzle.
You think it's gonna sizzle?
Uh-huh.
Okay. You think it'll make
Vinegar will make it. And this one will make it. This one will sizzle like root beer, like my favorite drink, root beer.
Okay.
And the vinegar, what happens
I
with
don't
it?
know. What do you think vinegar is gonna do?
I think it's gonna fill up raw vinegar in it. I think it's gonna smell nasty.
You think it'll just smell nasty?
Uh-huh.
Okay. You think this one that sizzles, what do you think it's gonna stay in this form, or do you think it's gonna turn to liquid?
I think
What do you
it's
think
gonna
it's
do
gonna do?
liquid.
You think it'll turn into a liquid?
Yep.
Okay. You think we should test it out?
Yep.
I need a half a cup of water
Baking soda.
in each of those. Now we're gonna pour it. Can you pour it this way?
Ha 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 ha. Wah ha ha
So a
ha.
half cup of water in this, and a half cup of water in this. Okay.
Ha 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 ha.
Should we mix this up? Stir it around. Can you stir that in there? Put it way down in the bottom and stir it up. There you go. Okay. Yep. Okay. Now we need baking soda. A tablespoon of baking soda for this one. Now. Okay, put your spoon down in there and stir it. There you go. Now put your little guy in there. What, did it get all over you?
Yeah.